How to log in Netflix on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you log in Netflix account on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to install the application Netflix on your iPhone. So for that, you'll have to open the App Store. Alright, so after you open the App Store, in this hospital you'll have to search for Netflix. Alright, so after you search it, you'll have to just install this application from here, and after you install it, you'll have to just tap on the option open. Alright, so after you open the Netflix app, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the option sign in just at the top right corner. Okay, so from the sign in section, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to just provide your email or phone number, and on the another section you'll have to provide your password, and after you give your email and password, you'll be able to easily log in your Netflix account on your iPhone. So for that, you'll have to just tap on the option sign in. So after you give your email ID and password, you'll be able to log in your Netflix ID on your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.